everyone, we are the Six Mascara and we are going to make DIY Earth Revolution. Materials needed: glue gun and glue stick, acrylic paint and paintbrush,
Stapler and glue,
cardboard,
scissor and cutter.
Revolution of the Earth. The Earth completes one revolution around the Sun in 1 year, or precisely 365 days, 6 hours and 9 minutes, with reference to the star at a speed ranging from 29.29 to 30.29 km per second.
Earth's rotation or Earth's spin is rotation of planet Earth around its own axis.
It takes about 1 month to orbit Earth, 27.3 days to complete a revolution, but 29.5 days to change from new moon to new moon. As the moon completes each 27.3 days orbit around Earth, both Earth and the moon are moving around the sun. Its rotation direction is prograde of west and to east, which appear to counterclockwise when viewed from above the North Pole.